Hello partners, I hope you all are doing good and are safe and sound. Urban Company is introducing a new product called electric bed warmer. Now let's see why are we introducing so. We have seen that during winters our lead decreases. Be it repeat client, be it new client, the number of leads we get in winters decrease. And the sole reason we find out behind this was cold. Customers do not like the experience of spa during winters as much as they like in summers. So we ran an experiment. During the experiment, we found out that all the customers that we provided electric bed warmer with loved it and would want to have the same services during winters as well. There are three different products involved with the kit. The electric bed warmer, which will provide the warmth to the customers during winters. The extension cord that will help to connect the bed warmer with the socket even if it is far away. The disposable laminated sheets will protect the bed warmer from the oil that we use during massages. Now you guys must be wondering how to use the product. The product is very simple to use. We just have to place the bed warmer over our spa bed, and then over it we have to place the dry sheet so there is no contact between the oil and the bed warmer. We have to connect the bed warmer socket with the extension cord and connect it to the customer's place, and normally use the hot oil that we use for our massage. The customers will have two options, whether to take service without hot bed or whether to take service with hot bed. This will help us to increase our leads and our earnings. In general, where we get 4 to 5 leads during winters, it will help us to ensure that we have minimum 6 to 7. Wherein in winters, in a month, our leads are 18 to 20, this will help us to improve 20 to 25. So in overall, we will have a higher earning of 25 to 30%, which is shown in the table in the video. To purchase the product kit, we have two modes of payment. Either we can take it up by doing the upfront payment of the total kit price, which is 1400, and purchase it from the UC App Store, or we can take loan for the product. For loan, we have to provide an upfront 500 rupees, that is 50 credits from our application, and then we can take up 950 rupees as loan. For that 950, there will be 10 deductions upon next 10 jobs that we will be doing. So the product kit with loan, the cost price would be 1450 rupees. It is important to note that if we are taking loan, we should maintain 100 credits to avoid less credits, to ensure that we are taking leads on time and we do not lose out on credits due to deduction of 50 credits for the loan of electric bed warmer. The most important rule here would be to ensure that we give our consent after this video. There will be two options to ensure that how your mode of payment would be for electric bed warmer. You would want to pay upfront payment of 1400 rupees, or you would want to have loan wherein your 500 will be deducted from your application and 950 will be as your loan. In any case, your credit deduction will only happen on the day of placement of order that you make. For partners with loan, we will make the payment. So please ensure to provide your consent after this video. Let us not wait and buy the product, to ensure that during winters we provide an amazing experience to the customers.